Hi, it's Dr. Deepa Shetty here again, and I'm a health coach. Hope all of you all are doing fine and you all are watching my videos. And I would like to hear how do you like it? Did it make any difference in your life? Could I add any value in your life? And if so, let me know what else can I do so that we all can have a life which we desire to have. We all want to be what we want to be. Have you ever thought, is it about who you are or about what you can do about what you are? Like, if I think I am a person who can uh, talk or communicate well with the people, so what do I do about what I am? Do I communicate more with the people? Or am I somebody who thinks that I am not good in this, but I'm good in that? So, do you always self judge yourself all the time? Or do you look yourself through others' eyes? What they say about me, is that what I am? Or what I think about me, is that what I am? Whatever it is, what do you do about what you are or who you are? That's very, very important. And have you ever thought about it? Because in the morning when I got up today, I was thinking about you all. I was thinking, ki, what can I do today, or what is that I can add value to people I am communicating with. And I really thought that if I am this, what I do about what I am, is that what I am? And if I am this way, what do I do about it? So if you like what you are, you love what you are, and you are really happy with what you are, you don't have to do anything about it. I mean, you can just be what you are. That's important, that I am tuned with what I am happy with what I am, and I am in sync with what I am. If not, then what do you do about what you are? Like, if you're a failure, and if you think that everything that I do always fails, and everything that I do always does not have any outcome, or everything that I try to do, there's always an obstacle. So what do you do about what you are? What do you do? What is that you are able to do? If you are a failure, take it from me, every time that you fail, you have opportunity to learn how to win. 100 times somebody fails, he knows how to win. That's how all our scientists have win. That's how all the inventions have taken place. That's how people have been successful. Without a failure, you don't know how to win. So failure is something we should count as a blessing, because that teaches me how to win. If you are somebody who is a winner already, so am I contributing to others' life by teaching them how to be a winner? Am I putting an effort out there where I use my experience to enhance other people's life? That is something which will make you do about what you are. I mean, you may be contented, you may be happy, but if the surrounding around you, the people you communicate with, your relatives, your friends, your colleagues, even your neighbors, if they are not happy, do you feel happy? So it's important that if I know the formula of being happy, how do I take an opportunity to add this into their life? You may not try to fix them up, because many times I see a lot of people giving advices, a lot of people telling them how to fix themselves. People are not ready to take it. You cannot fix them up, but and you don't have to look them through the eyes of your thinking process, because sometimes what is not right for you may be right for them. So what is important is, when they are trying to fix themselves, you just be there as a support for them, because that's how they will be able to fix themselves up. So are you while adding value to people, are you inspiring them to be what they want to be? That is also an important part of, if you are a winner, then how do you teach people to be a winner? If you are somebody who is really, in life, able to achieve everything, able to be happy, able to relate to people, that's wonderful. You have achieved what you want to achieve. So it's about, not about people around you. Many times I hear my patients saying that I am unhappy because my husband is a drunkard. I am unhappy because my kids don't look after me. I am unhappy because my boss is not very good. You know what? Every one of us have different challenges in life. Every one of us face something or the other which make their life or their situation not worth counting across. But do you count a blessing in that? I mean, you have a family out there to support, you have a job out there to take care of your needs, you have a beautiful friend circle who gives you a support system. And if you are getting stuck in the same situation again and again, did you look inward and see what is my response to that situation that attracts the situations towards me? What is my response that can change and that can itself change the situation around me? Because it's not about them, it's about you, and it's about you being what you want to be. It's about you deciding today and now that I want to be this and I will be what I want to be. If that gives you happiness, go ahead and be somebody you want to be. Move ahead, take action every day for what you want to be. Move ahead and take action every day to make, to change, to have a transformation not only within yourself but in the world around yourself, around your surrounding, towards your people, and see that the world is something which is very beautiful. Every day when you wake up, you wake up to a very beautiful world because the air out there is giving you oxygen out there to breathe. You are alive, and there is such a lot of like the sun out there is making your body up. There are veggies which you get up in the morning and you can eat. I mean, everything in the environment is giving you to be a lively, living, beautiful person you can be. So, are you counting that blessings? Because that's important that you're alive today and you can contribute to your own self and to others also. So, it's very important. My tagline is love yourself and love everyone. That's how the world is beautiful within you and outside you too. Hope you are going to today think over what is that you can do about who you are, and you will see that you can be what you want to be. So, saying so, thank you, stay tuned, take care, and do like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know how do I add a value to your life, and how you help me to be what I want to be. Thank you. See you again.